In this video, we talk about my knockoff Seadek boat floor that I did myself from one giant sheet of knockoff Seadek. We're going to talk about how it's been holding up, how easy it is to clean, and other general information about it. Ugh. So comfy. So much better than carpet. Hey everybody, welcome back. As you can see from my intro there, we're going to be talking about my boat floor. And I keep calling it a knockoff Seadek boat floor because that's kind of what it is. You get it in a big roll and roll it out, cut it to whatever shape you need it to, and glue it in your boat. Now my particular project, if you didn't see my previous videos on this pretty decent feat that I had to do on this boat floor, you can check it out over here in the corner of the screen or in the description section below. I'll have a whole playlist of my boat floor redo if that's something you're interested in. I think it was a pretty clever way to fix the floor if you don't have a whole lot of structural damage. Now, if you hadn't seen that video, as I said, I replaced the floor to a point and I rolled out this Seadek in a pretty clever way. And it's the best decision I ever made. It is so much better than carpet. It's so much easier to clean. It doesn't hold the water. It dries in minutes on a hot day. It's awesome. I really can't sell it enough. Now the first thing you're going to want to do if you are putting this EVA foam flooring in is pick a design. There's a lot of different designs available. You don't have to get the teak wood look like I did. I'm just a classy guy and that's what I like. Anyway, you can get like a diamond pattern with red inserts. The list is pretty long of options you have, and the sizing is even pretty good on what you can get if you just need a smaller area or a bigger area. The second thing you're going to want to do is rip up that nasty old carpet that you've got. It's not going to stick if you have that carpet there. Even if you don't need floor repair done, rip that carpet up and get it out of there. Now that being said, I am going to show you the floor as it sits right now. We had it out 2 days in a row, Labor Day weekend, and it got beach sand in it, soda spilt, food on the floor. You know how it goes when you're out on the lake for hours on end. It gets messy. Now, if you had a carpet and you're getting food on the floor, salsa, soda, beer, all kinds of stuff like that, it's a mess and it could stain. Now, this stuff does not stain. Anyway, enough rambling. I'm going to show you what it looks like now before I have vacuumed it and scrubbed any spots clean. Then I'm going to show you how easy it is to clean and the after of what it looks like. Okay, so you got a general idea how dirty this thing got. Obviously, I picked up food crumbs and stuff like that. I'm not a total slob, but you can definitely see where there was stuff dropped. There's stains, there's some black smudges on the floor, etc. I'm gonna vacuum it, and then I'm gonna pause and show you a couple of my methods on how I clean certain spots on this floor, and then we're gonna show you what it looks like after. You're gonna have your mind blown. You're gonna want this stuff in your floor. It's awesome. I wish I was a salesman for this stuff because it's the bomb diggity. I was trying it on. Don't hold that phrase against me. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have said that. Before I wake up the whole neighborhood with this vacuum, here's a quick message from me. And don't skip it because it's about a giveaway for you, the viewer. Hey everybody, before we continue on with this video, I want you to do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. I know it's a broken record with us YouTubers, but I have good news. With that subscription hit, you will be entered in a chance to win one of these items that I have in front of me. I'm nearing 3,000 subscribers and I wanted to do something special to celebrate. So my friends over at Chemimoto are helping me do just that by providing some of their product. You'll have a chance to win a boat mirror, a collapsible boat trash can with insert, a boat fender, a boat dash organizer, and a boat cup holder. If you want to know more about these items, I've done a detailed review on all of them. You can find the link to those videos in the description section below, along with a link to each individual item if you want to know more about them on the purchase website. Also in the description section below, you can find more detailed info on this giveaway itself. So what do you need to do to win? It's really easy. You have to be subscribed to my channel. Once you do that, also go over to Kemimoto's channel and subscribe to them. I will make it easy on you, and I will include a link in a tab here. And if for some reason that doesn't work, also you will be able to find that in the description section below, a link to Kemimoto's channel. Then, once my channel hits the 3,000 subscriber goal, I will post another video announcing that the drawing will commence with a few more painless instructions. It's really easy, you have nothing to lose except for possibly winning one of these items. All right, that being said, good luck, I hope you win, and let's get back to the video. And we're back. Please hit that subscribe button. It helps me more than you could ever imagine. And it's very rare that I can give away this many items. So again, hit that subscribe button for a chance to win. Follow the rules in the description section below. And we're so close to being able to do this giveaway. I need 600 more of you to hit that subscribe button. Do it now. You won't regret it. I hope you win, and good luck. All right, let's get this floor clean finally. Okay, for the sake of making you watch me clean every single spot, I picked the worst two looking ones. One is like a black muddy spot that is just caked on, and the other is some just like food residue, grease, whatever. And all I'm gonna use is this all-purpose Armor All auto cleaner. Now you don't even have to use a name brand cleaner. All you'd really have to use on this floor, from my experience, is soapy water, maybe a little scrub brush or an old toothbrush, and that'll do it. Again, enough yapping. Let's just see how these spots turn out. So that was just a quick 3-minute scrub with just my little bit of my thumbnail and just my thumb. And you can see how much of a difference it already makes. Add a little scrub brush to that. Nothing super coarse. You want kind of a softer scrub brush, because after all, this is still a foam floor. Add a scrub brush to that, and this thing cleans up like brand new, and this is what that looks like. And there you have it, before and after, huge difference. You can still see some kind of possibly funny looking spots on the floor, and a lot of that is just from me walking around on it while it was still wet from me scrubbing. But you get the idea. The big ugly spots are gone, and that's all it takes. All I used was this little scrub brush in the spots that were really caked on, and that cleaner. Again, you could use soapy water, anything. And that's it for aftercare on this floor once you install it. It's really easy. Not only is it good for pleasure boating, which is a lot of what I do, it's also good if you're fishing. Fish falls off the rod or just falls in the boat, etc. Fish kind of smell sometimes, fish are slimy. You can just rinse that floor down. Again, there's no carpet. It's just really easy. And depending on your boat too, that's another easy way you could clean this. You could simply just run a hose down this, and this does not hold any water. It dries quickly. And another thing, the little grooves for the faux wood effect, the water runs into those grooves and runs straight back into my bilge, making the floor almost impossible to soak up any water if it were to get through the foam. It just runs right down into the bilge right away. I hope this video gave you a general overview of what this floor is like to maintain and how easy it is to maintain and clean and how rugged it is. Again, this has been in my boat this is the second year. Anything that damages it, it's foam, so it tends to seal back up. It's amazing. I really can't say it enough. And if you have any questions about it, leave it in the comments section below. Tell me what you think of it. Again, it's offered in a bunch of different varieties, and I'll have some links below just for examples of what kind of varieties you can get. The list is kind of endless with this stuff as size goes and design. But again, leave any questions you have about it in the comments section below and let me know what you think about this stuff. And if I get enough comments on it, I might do a follow-up video answering some of those questions. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Please subscribe to my daddy's channel.